Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to create your own custom collection of items using an item list. An item list and an item gallery are very similar, and they're both thoroughly documented on docs.goodshuffle.dev. An item list is really just what you'd think it is. It's just a list of items. An item gallery, unlike an item list, has additional things like a search bar, filters, and Goodshuffle Pro's built-in categories and subcategories. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page that just displays items. We're going to display some items that have the keyword luxury in them somewhere. So I'm going to create a page and I'm going to call it luxury. Then I'm going to add a block to this page. So we're going to add custom HTML. So don't confuse this with code. Code will display whatever you type in as you've typed it in exactly. What you want to type in, though, is custom HTML. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in a little snippet of code here. GS Pro item list. You can get code snippets for this at docs.goodshuffle.dev. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for items that have luxury somewhere in them, the keyword luxury. This will search the title, description, as well as the tags that are on an item. I'm also going to display, let's say, 50 items by default. If you don't specify this, you'll only see up to 15 items. I'm going to click Publish, and I'm going to view this page. You can see that the page is loading. You can see that we have in fact found some items that have the word luxury somewhere in the title, description, or tags. Ernie, the 10-foot taxidermy bear, has a tag called luxury on it. And this vehicle has a keyword luxury in the actual description, as do these place settings. So you can actually get a little more fancy too. If for some reason you want to use keyword search to build a custom list of items, but you see things displaying that you don't want to display, you can use search to change that as well. So I'm going to go back to that page. I'm going to go to all pages. I'm going to edit this page, and I'm going to say luxury minus gold. So again, all of the ins and outs of how this search works are documented on docs.goodshuffle.dev, but I'm going to walk you through the basics right now. So if you want to show things that have the keyword luxury but not the keyword gold, you just put minus gold. Then when you go over here and you take a look at this page and reload it again, you'll see that we only have 2 items in here, right? Because those other 2 items had gold somewhere in the description. You can also put multiple item lists on a page, and this is really handy if you are trying to group things together by, say, color. So if we wanted to put, let's say, things that have the word gold in them, things that have the word silver in them, and then things that have the word black in them, we can do that by adding multiple custom HTML elements to the page, changing the search terms to whatever we'd like to display in that list, and then hitting update, and of course taking a look at the page to see what's there. So all of these have the word gold somewhere in them, right? Gold Coast Lounge, gold napkins. And we've got up to 50 items here. You can change the size accordingly. And then again, we can see silver things here as well. So search and item lists give you a way of displaying a custom collection of items and even multiple lists of items on a single page. And one last thing that I'm going to do over here is I'm going to change this page template to be a full width page template. I'm going to hit update, and then you'll see that this page no longer has that search element on the side. We just have our list of items. And then finally, just to show you how to link this page in WordPress, I'm going to go to Appearance, go to Menus, click this page that we've just created and say Add to Menu. And then once I save this menu and reload this page, the luxury page now appears as you would expect. So that is how you use a GS Pro item list. Again, that's documented at docs.goodshuffle.dev in great detail to create a custom collection of items.